Okay guys, today I am doing a video on MOTS-C for dummies. I am getting lots of questions about peptides, and normal people want to understand this, and so much of the information out there, it's like you're talking to a scientist. So today we're talking MOTS-C, what it is. It's a super tiny protein your body makes that might trick your cells into thinking you just went for a run. So a big fat warning here, I am not a doctor. This is just cool science. This is just for educational purposes. If you want to try anything, talk to your real doctor. Links to real studies you can find online, and it is super, super informative. So we're going to break this down like we are 12 years old. What the heck is MOTS-C? How does it work? Does it really do anything? Is it safe? And how do people even use it? And then what is coming up next when it comes to MOTS-C and peptides? So what is MOTS-C? Inside every cell, you have mitochondria. This is little batteries that make energy throughout your body. More and more information is being studied about mitochondria, and we're realizing that it is so important in your body. In 2015, scientists found something wild. Your mitochondria doesn't just make power, they send text messages to the rest of your body. And one of those text messages, if you can imagine this, is MOTS-C. It's a super short protein. It's 16 letters long, and it basically tells your body how to act and how to be and how to heal. So it would say something like, hey body, act like we just exercised. Awesome, huh? So why should you care? And here's the sad part, you guys. As you get older, if you're eating junk, if you're sitting down a lot, your MOTS-C levels go way down. And guess what? Low MOTS-C equals tired cells, weight gain, blood sugar problems. High MOTS-C, your cells act younger, burn fat, handle sugar better. It's like your body's built-in gym membership, but it does expire with age. So how does this work? It basically flips the exercise switch in your cells. Okay, so imagine MOTS-C, which is the text messages, flips the light switch, turns the AMPK on, and burns fat because it's using sugar. So imagine your cells have an exercise mode switch. When you run, that switch flips on. That's MOTS-C. It flips the same switch without moving. How does it do this? It tricks your cells into thinking, oh no, energy is low. Time to burn fat and sugar. That switch is called the AMPK, and that is your cell's personal trainer. The result of this, more fat burned, better blood sugar, happier mitochondria. It even texts your DNA. So under stress, for example, a tough workout, MOTS-C goes into the nucleus, the control room of the cell, and it tells your DNA, turn on repair mode, make more mitochondria, stay strong. So it's not just a signal, it's basically like a boss level upgrade in your body. So next, does it actually work? This is what everyone wants to know. In a 2015 study, scientists fed mice pizza and donuts, so a high fat, disgusting diet. Group A got fat and diabetic. Group B got the same food plus MOTS-C shots, and the result was for Group B, they stayed skinny, it fixed their blood sugar, and it acted like they were running 5 miles a day. So this is unbelievable, you guys. Since 2015, more studies, still mostly in mice, have shown the same things over and over again. It stops weight gain, fixes insulin, protects heart and pancreas, reduces inflammation, and might even help your bones. So no big human trials yet. We think it works in people, but we do not know for sure. So that is still being researched at this time. So could this help you? There's a lot of possible wins here if this does work. It could help with blood sugar, better blood sugar like diabetes, easier fat loss, more energy, mitochondria in upgrade mode. All of these things could be a huge benefit for human beings. So the things that people are hoping that it does, slowing the age process, fix tired all the time, be a workout replacement, but honestly help boost your workout. I know as I've gotten older, like I'm still working out, but I'm not pushing myself to the level that I was because of the fear of injury. So maybe this could be something that would help push people to push their bodies a little harder. So we don't know for sure if mice equals humans, if that is the exact same thing. Obviously, we know that God created us differently, but this is very promising. We don't want this to backfire, so there's still a lot of research being done. I would say stay tuned, keep following this. You're going to see more and more come out. Is it safe? Right now, there are 0 big safety studies done on humans. So I would keep an eye on this. We have no idea about long-term side effects, what the right dosing would be, and who it possibly could hurt. Sports agencies are not quite using it yet with athletes, but the research is being done. So you could also keep an eye on it in that realm. Some people are purchasing this online, and here is what we are getting reports of. More energy, losing weight, better workouts, but we also are hearing some negative things. Can't sleep, causing the heart to race. Obviously, I don't know what dosing these people are following, but that is why I would say, these are random reports. I would say do not buy it online and reach out to your doctor if this is something that you want to try. A couple thoughts on how do people even use it. If you take this as a pill form, the stomach will destroy it. So scientists are having to give it as tiny injections under the skin, much like insulin. When it comes to dosing, we are seeing everything from 1 milligram every other day to 5 milligrams twice a week. Like I said, I'm not telling you guys to do this. I would just say wait for the human trial results and kind of make sure that there's no scary side effects before we jump in on this. But it is very promising. I would keep an eye on it. Here's what we do know. MOTS-C is super cool, and it is doing awesome things. Mice love it. Humans, we don't know quite yet, but we are getting great feedback from people that are doing this. But also, don't forget that MOTS-C is just to help your body. So don't let it replace eating real food, moving your body. Once these human trials get going, results are coming out, then I'll do a follow-up video on this. But just keep an eye on MOTS-C. Subscribe to this video as I keep putting out more and more information on peptides. See you next time.